Guys, let's take a quick look at Immutable X, or IMX on the ticker. We did look at IMX, I believe it was maybe about 4 or 5 days ago, where we were punching through this resistance here at about $1.46. Right now, it appears we are going to break this level that we've struggled with for the last 5 days or so. Yeah, so I think we have a clear path up to about $1.70. And we'll see if we don't get rejected there again. As you can see, there was a rejection here in the end of July. And yeah, I mean, right now, Bitcoin is actually going up. We did have good numbers basically today with continuing jobless claims. There was also core PCE prices. There was GDP growth, Q2, Q over Q, so quarter over quarter. There was also initial jobless claims and things like this today. So, yeah, guys, I mean, we are getting good numbers. Tomorrow there is, let's see, there was, I think, CPI for the European Union. There's also going to be core PCE price index. We do have, personal spending, Chicago PMI, Michigan numbers, and things like this. And tomorrow is going to be maybe a little bit more important day. I do expect we will break this 60.2 and we will keep it. We are working on a 4-hour candle right now, close above this daily time frame resistance, which again, this is kind of the wrong time frame to really look at. We want to, close a daily candle above a daily resistance. So next resistance is a weekly resistance up here at 61.3. I don't think we will push through it, although we are, slowly trending up here. Let me put this on the hour so you can see this. Yeah, the last 6 hours we are trending upwards. So, we may break it, but I don't know if we'll hold it. We may break it and just have a nice wick up, but I think we'll come down. And tomorrow, when you get those numbers for, European Union CPI and these PCE for America and Chicago, Michigan, personal spending, all this, I think that is when you're going to see a break much higher. I do believe we will get to 63.1, maybe 63.8. It would be nice to get back to almost 65,000 if we can. Now, the CME, basically, it's almost the same numbers, guys. I just refreshed this, and it's about 2/3 believing that we're going to get a 1/4 point cut. And, there's 1/3 believing that we're going to get a 1/2 point cut, which, I believe 1/4 point, probably September, November, December. January, if you click on this, people are still believing we're going to be at 4.25. That means we're going to have probably a 1/2 point cut along the way, whether it's in January or whether it's one of these previous months before September, November, December. We'll see, guys. I personally bet on 1/4 point cuts all the way through the rest of this year. January, I'm thinking we could even skip it and reevaluate everything in March, and then they'll see if they need to raise the rates or cut the rates. I doubt they're going to raise it, but, I think they just will take it a little bit slow here in the beginning. So anyways, guys, that's pretty much all I got for you on IMX here. It's looking better. It is making, higher lows here, as you can see. So we did have a higher, actually, the low was here, and we had a little bit higher low. Now we got a little bit higher low here. So let's see what happens here next. But I do believe we will trend upwards and, come to $1.70 shortly. And then we got to take out $1.78. and $1.92, and to get out of this Fibonacci basically is about 205. We do have a lot of resistances up here though. As you can see, they're all very close. So, this up until maybe what? Let's take a look. Probably until at least about $2.60 or so, we're going to have a lot of resistance, to move upwards with IMX, unfortunately. Now, keep in mind, I do hold IMX myself personally, but yeah, I do believe IMX is a good project. Anyways, if you like this video, like, subscribe, activate the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one.